In this example, I'm going to use long division for polynomials to divide this quartic polynomial by this quadratic trinomial. Okay, so let's go ahead and first write this trinomial out front. So I have 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. And then for my division algorithm, here I'll put that bar. And then let's write this polynomial inside here. It looks like we have every single term to the fourth, third, second, and then my linear term and constant, so I don't need to make spaces or skip anything. So 33x to the fourth plus 38x cubed minus 9x squared plus 32x minus 14. Okay. Well, instead of just a binomial, we actually have a trinomial out here, and that's okay. So let's go ahead and look at the first terms first. So our 3x squared and our 33x to the fourth. So what do I need to multiply by 3x squared to get 33x to the fourth? Well, it looks like 11x squared. So let's go ahead and write that above my x squared column here at the top. And then we'll come back through and multiply. So 3x squared times 11x squared will be 33x to the fourth, and ultimately those will cancel, and again that's by design. Let's multiply through the next one, so 44x cubed, and that'll be positive. And then negative 2 times 11, that'll be negative 22x squared. And we have everything lined up really nicely. So let's go ahead and change the sign of everything and add. That'll be plus right there. So these leading terms cancel. And we have 38 minus 44, so that's going to be a negative 6x cubed. And then a negative 9 plus 22 will be plus 13x squared. And let's go ahead and bring down this 32x. All right, so let's, next row here. So 3x squared with my leading term. So what do I need to multiply by 3x squared to get me negative 6x cubed? Looks like negative 2x. So let's go ahead and write it here, and we'll align vertically, again, our x terms, these linear terms. And then we'll come back through and back multiply. So we have negative 6x cubed. Negative 2x times positive 4x is negative 8x squared. And then negative 2x times negative 2 is positive 4x. And next, we'll go through and change all the signs. Okay, and now let's add. So it looks like these leading terms cancel, and as always, that's by design. So we have positive 13 and a positive 8, so that'll make 21x squared. And then 32 minus 4 will be plus 28x. And let's go ahead and bring down that final term there, that constant negative 14. And let's ask ourselves once again, when we look at these leading terms, what do I need to multiply by 3x squared to give me 21x squared? Well, it looks like positive 7. So let's go ahead and put that plus 7 right there. And then we'll go ahead and back multiply everything. So it looks like I have 21x squared plus 28x minus 14. Okay, and then I'll change the sign of everything. So minus, minus, plus, and it cancels, cancels, cancels. My remainder then is 0. So that means with this polynomial division, when I take this polynomial and divide it by this quadratic trinomial, I'm actually going to get this quadratic trinomial, 11x squared minus 2x plus 7, and I got that using polynomial long division.